Dallas, Texas. That was our first farm burned down. We rebuilt that. We created a complete new design, and we have a farm. But that one burned down. We started rebuilding that. We purchased the farm, 440,000 square feet, West City, Iowa, and now we're expanding to Florida.
Florida. Really?
So we're going abroad now too as well.
Well, being that I'm on the Gulf Coast, so I'm out of the Pensacola area.
Okay.
So it's interesting. So we're doing commercial shrimp farming on land.
On land. Sustainable.
Sustainable.
No chemicals, no antibiotics, nothing. Clean. The cleanest shrimp that you can find. Clean. That's what I was telling this gentleman. Okay, people with the Gulf shrimp, but when I already can smell Gulf shrimp from a distance.
Right.
Ours smells like sea, like the ocean. You don't smell any disinfectant stuff like that on the shrimp. It's clean. No plastics, no mercury. What comes in there? I'm not dissing his shrimp, but I understand. I'm trying to explain the difference.
Well, see, one of the issues that we have on the Gulf Coast is still lingering from the BP oil spill.
Right.
Regardless of what the government is saying, it is still a
shrimp eat it.
An issue. Exactly.
You know, you shit on top of the boat, it goes to the bottom, they eat it. They eat everything's on the bottom. And that oil is a bad factor. It is.
Well, not only that, but the dispersants and all the other stuff that was used to clean it decimated.
But they didn't tell the whole truth either. I had a stepbrother. He was in the Coast Guard. He was down there with the Coast Guard trying to clean it up. You know what they did, right? They captured all of it.
I know what they did.
They lit it all up. I mean, they don't tell it, but they do. I know exactly. Most people know exactly what happened. But yeah, lost goes lost, and it's still on the bottom of the earth.
So I just do my research. So it's jogged my memory. So it jogs my memory when I hit back to the coast.
We're publicly traded right now on the OTCQB market. Okay, it's getting ready to uplift. We'll uplift the NASDAQ by January. So
okay, awesome.
Right?
Thanks for the knowledge. I appreciate that.
I know we're not grabbing any jaws up like that. It was a friendly chat about the company, NaturalShrimp.
How about education? I'm learning a lot. I live on the Gulf Coast, and this is absolutely fantastic concept.